So this one says, which is the minimum or maximum value of this function? Now, when they're talking about minimum, this is a minimum because right down here is the very lowest point of the graph. So what we're looking for, remember that a minimum, and I want you to write this down, means that it is the bottom of the valley. And these are always going to occur. These are always going to occur at the vertex for quadratic. Well, yeah, let's just stay focused on that. Now the maximum is the tippy top of the hill. Okay? What do I mean by that? Well, when we look at a graph and there's a quadratic, a minimum, the quadratic opens up. So if I have something that looks like this is a minimum. But sometimes that's inverted. Flipped about the x-axis. And so that you'll still have that parabolic shape or parabola that looks like this. And right at the tippy top of that, we call that the maximum. So this U shape, all quadratics will have what we call a parabolic shape, or just it's a parabola. And that just means it's U-shaped. It looks like this, or it looks like this. It's a conic section. Okay? So this one has a minimum at the point, what point is that? I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, -3, comma, and then I go down to -4. So what does that mean? It has a minimum at -4. Again, in your notes, you don't have to write down all the wrong answers. You just have to write down the right answers. Does that mean I want you to write down C? No, I want you to write down the function has a minimum value of -4. Remember, when you go to do this online, it's going to scramble the answers. It's C now, but it might be D when you log in. His might be D, hers might be B, his might be A. So be mindful of that.